Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening, Mr. Ali. I am Astri Yuni ISJ with student ID number 231200094 from Bachelor of Management Study Program, Faculty of Business and Technology. And for this opportunity, I would like to present my research proposal with the title Evaluation of Inspection and Testing Team Productivity in Improving Service Quality PT Delta Nusantara Persada. And for understand this research, I will tell about the background. Strategic service, inspection and testing service determine the fitness and safety of work equipment. Accurate test result from the basis for compliance with occupational safety, regulation, and the client operational continuity. And the second is service is trust. Customer trust is built through timelines, accuracy of result, and responsiveness. Consistent service sustain long-term cooperation in an increasingly competitive service industry. And team productivity as the key, as the core executor, the productivity as the inspection of testing team, its effectiveness, efficiency, and quality of result directly represent the company overall service quality. And this slide is steadily reaching workload. We can see the number CAD3 objects tested uh, grew up from 3,663 units in 2024, become 4,584 units in 2025, and increase above 25% or 25.14% to be exact. And for the output side, certificate issued nearly double from 2,498 in 2024 become 4,431 in 2025. That is a 77% increase in 1 year. So the team is not only inspecting more objects, it is also a production for more certificate deliverables. And for the problem identification, the gap between expectation and reality. Uh, for ideal condition, service that is fast, accurate, and standard compliant, like on-time completing of testing, accurate and validate inspection result, and then a team responsive to customer needs. But in reality, in the field, team capacity pressure by operational constraint, like high workload amid the surge in object volume and limited human resource, team coordination that is not yet fully optimal, and then inconsistent application of SOPs. And this is the three research question. The first one is how productive is the inspection and testing team in carrying out testing activity at PT Delta Nusantara Persada. And the second is what is the quality of the testing service provided by PT Delta Nusantara Persada. And the last one is what is the role of the inspection of testing team productivity in improving the quality of testing service. And for the research objective, there are any to analyze the productivity of the inspection and testing team in carrying out testing activity, and then to examine the quality of the testing service provided by the company. And the last one is to explain the role of team productivity in improving the quality of testing service. And for the theoretical benefits, is to enrich the study of operational and HR management in the inspection and testing service sector, which is still rather research, and practical benefits to serve as a basis for the company in formulating strategies for sustainably improving productivity and service quality. And this is the conceptual framework. The research began from the phenomenon of the company needs to maintain and improve the quality of its testing service. And for understand this condition, and evaluation is carried out on the productivity of the inspection and testing team as the unit directly involved in conducting testing activity, and then an evaluative aspect of the inspection of service team, and then identification of productivity enabling and inhibiting, and then analysis of the impact of testing service quality, and then any any uh, testing service quality aspect, and then research finding, and the last one is recommendation for improving productivity and service quality at PT Delta Nusantara Persada. And for prior research and research gap, any research of Ismayanti and Herianto in 2022, work productivity is determined by ability, skill, and work experience. And Research Amiruddin Astuti and Arija 2023 about HR quality significantly affect the service performance of service organization. And then research of Fadila and Murniadi 2024 work environment and supervision system influence employee productivity. And then the last one is C. Astuti and Rianto in 2024 improving HR competence significantly enhance service quality and performance. And for the gap addressed is the productivity of technical inspection and testing team is still very understudied. And then research on PT Delta Nusantara Persada is still very scarce. And then the last one, linking team productivity to service quality in an evaluative way. And for the literature, I have for conceptual foundation, their evaluation. Evaluation is a systematic assessment that compare actual condition against standard to identify gaps and corrective steps. And then work productivity, the ability to produce optimal output conferring time and research effectiveness, as well as the quality of work research. And inspection and testing team, a technical unit that ensure equipment meets safety standard and is fit for use through inspection and testing. And the last one is service quality, the conformity of service with customer expectation, like timelines, accuracy of test result, and staff responsiveness. And for the research method, I use theory from Miles and Haberman. The type of research is qualitative descriptive, depicting the real condition of the teamwork, process, obstacle, and effort to improve service quality. And for the location and time at PT Delta Nusantara Persada, Rukosan City Square Block, it's 20 M. Hasibuan Street, Pagaja Bekasi, conductor over the month. And then for data research, any data, primary data, their interview, observation, documentation, and team activity, and any secondary, company document, SOPs, performance, and service report. And for the collection technique and informants, I use observation, direct observation of team activity from preparation and executing to reporting, and then interview, semi-structured with guide, exploring work system, obstacle, informant perception, and then documentation like profile, SOPs, result, and performance report, and visual documentation. And I choose informant with purpose sampling. Uh, there are any director with tenure 9 years and head inspection and testing division with tenure 9 years too, and then any senior technician with tenure 8 years and junior technician with tenure 2 years and administrative staff with tenure 3 years. And for data analysis and validity, I use data reduction, selecting data relevant to the focus on team productivity and service quality, and then data display, arranging finding narratively and systemically so they are easy to understand. And I use drawing calculation, formulating, evaluating result, inhibiting factor, and improvement efforts. And for the data validity, I use triangulation. Uh, Technique triangulation is comparing the result of observation, interview, and documentation against the same source. And then source triangulation, comparing information from informants in different position and role to reduce bias. And why this is research is worthwhile? Uh, it's address real operational problem with broad impact, a valid and accountable qualitative methodology. It will research gap in the inspection testing service sector. It produces practical recommendation for the company. Okay, Mr. Ali, thank you for your attention. I would be very happy to receive any suggestion, comment, or recommendation from you. Uh, Thank you. Uh, Good night.